bono tete ugenda sema sema wika bono ase skuru ya bono atwerere ngaki igoro totebingo igoro ya Skyline.
Skyline kwanza ne skuru ingia sana Busongo. We started the year 2019. Then on 2020 to seek for the COVID which came. And then now to with around 100 kids. Litanga ndigantu kwana litanga ni Skyline ni school ego so mia masomo yo boroso funa kwa kwana. It's not a nice school.
Ne biya to yeke mena.
Tigangi mchagira litanga ni school ego ena na masomo yo boroso mine livia kama gago chake school. 3 years gata mai digo soma no abu. Oda mai digo no number 1. Abantu bali bakonyo umwana umanya goliga number 1 Skyline. One in school go jake mwana ebebike. So we started in 2019. Ne mwana bikego. That is around 100 and something. We have been operational from 2019 to 2023. I think it will be something 6 years, 5. I think 6 years. To avere operational. Two ne school are registered, ne school emanyire kera se tali school operate ne yoski. Ne school operate mwana ole shwaruna. Ne school emanyike.
Serikali ne emanyete.
Serikali ne emanyete. Account ne emanyete. Igo ne school registered. In fact, I got one meeting one the first I think you are supposed to even go poly ed teacher kera go ikirega. Because no nya morali to go the meeting mwana azimambia konyo wakore. So the first thing na bogo wali the teacher and to now to straight a certificate ya registration. So the other na school emanyire Ose ya manyekanire. So at least one iga Skyline na odo na agar tu ajagete with preschool classes. One iga tu ikire class 8 mare.
Mwakore te class 8.
Tu agora tamate. Tu agora tamate mo. And ntosabere tamaya ntosabere tabana ba because to our prepare we so ne school yigite class 8 that is the 844 system which yaerate bona yobne dara era imna yaerate bona to atige ne school yugo ka grade 6 and the junior high school which I think I will explain more on the same. One at least we have a population of 800 and something. We have 820 something by now.
Aba ko school ya
wale school as by now. Una nasi get the school. We are 820 something. So we started with 120 something umurali. You remember? We are 8 something. Igona bogo na school ego kina kabisa na nago kinogo kinesengeje tokana na quality services as our customer chaito.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, abana abakurate kirasi 8 marenga barenge alafu abana biga isiko barwete bagacha class 9 gose mwachagete na barobo
abana begero twajagete despite into we were focusing on the preschool into amajete to admit until grade 4. For the primary mbalinge bange but into ademeto admit bona abana bako te class 8 ana abana wetu wachagete na abaruli school chagete baga tukabadi grade 4. So we have been nurturing abana bali from grade 4 gutira ikona tigande na abana baite segenje tutwale toko basomi so abana tuwakine na abaro since school ya chagete bakabona bana ya bako te class 8. Yeah,
mbalenga barenge
they were 17 in number.
Okay,
yeah,
17. Okay, asante kiba. Na kuburia ina ki mukuru bokore asense moya abalimu baino na abalimu batese balikene serikali gose ni no muko etachira.
Tigande bali tanga ni in a private school. A private school definitely go kwelikira abalimu. But also for you to give the quality care zengo tebi bose for you correct make comment amuna na other one we started with 100 and something abanafunzi one we are 800 and something abana razmo to abalimu bali that babwate that passion legacy abakora ndorga twachora bana balimu goruskandos our teachers they are qualified teachers and anyway, in any case, this time if you want to operate a market, anyway, you have to have passion, that passion and qualified, including here already. So, they are qualified, they are trained, the TSC numbers kabisa, and then abantu bago together, bago to wamato yana Bible. We call them our customers. So tari bali ndo jete ko liyo ndo mwenzi yo na njura ro ransome abuko na ndendwe tinari kesi morali ndo taramanya CBC ene kata geto some
omoiboli gose
abali muno moibo na kora nyombe ebasumbuye because moli omaite kale rito akasoma APCD na kwa akasomera kwasomera mwana bona ngani maite ngobasinyerake so definitely nyoroje ko bazinyo abayiboli otwara bali batali qualified in terms of the CBC ayo adani iwa bali baito ngote abayiboli on the way go totegera abayiboli baito na bali bale biba plan ko abayiboli come next year 2024 we have abantu bagorwa qualified and passionate staff no thonere bali mboko morali from the caretakers from the drivers kiro monda abantu bagorwa sindagera etoko na twali chef to trained because trained chef because despite koena na quality ya masomo you need koena na quality services in terms of transport you need to koena na quality services in terms of meals
iko in short sky na what professionals voka and the passionate
bari wakolega
bari tayari bakwerwa tari abantu bali bakubetererwa
na sometimes we have even trainings toko baenana despite nenda bandamba trained ndo bali some training sometimes eruza bana bana iga toko na conductors we call them nowadays we call them caretakers you are supposed to do APCD or when they go behave because at the end of the day we need to serve our customer our customer no moiboli no mwanafunzi that is the key people
na atoko ina na sensemo ya CBC mwakolera matema a CBC ya chagete CBC kipsea ya chagete mwako eta naboni ganja sweta sintunda ya kabiri kalinga mwakolera mechintonde chibere
twakore kabere abana bafunzi baito bakote last year now they una DC and to twara junior school na majuko kwana of course no dina kono the same because mbono ya chaka Mwana gere ngendo gyo jaga no kwenda kora kirigereria of course ngotwara get ups and downs
kabisa
so ntu akora last year abana baito na by the way they very smart bali bago the last year na ntu ademeto ko bali school bakagenda so this year was the second time to akore kipsea that is amadema grade 6 which we are focusing on them now now we are really working on the junior high school and I'm very sure by next year it will be ready so that the abana this year banyora sebago transist to come next year 2024 so this is the second time to call the amatema akipsea
iko boni kuikara boni ga gusumwa koyo igatotebo mwakoyo iga skyline teratwara junior secondary
omwakoyo Oigiro mwako yo moralia
mwako yo kumete education calendar bono yo ya 2023
this is the year junior ya jacket this is the year junior jacket so this year ndoye jacket
igotora twara
next year
rabwat njabwat gose
mwako te bone kare ya chaka tigato yebeke boyo oma ndego kwa bara bakimna ya jacket so this year ndochi tukotwara junior high school and then mwako na ya chaka but now come next year we are working and I'm very sure by next year tiganda yebega
next year nekaro
tutakuwa na junior school next year junior school nekaro so that they monde vito byako grade 6 inyoraze bigo transist to next year
ikomero bekibono kwa bekire nayo mo director bwe school ya Skyline kwa nekinga next year abaro kiwa baito ba grade 6 abano bakuchukwa na grade 7 ngonyora bare amasomo gaigase amaga chuko sase school yeito bali go chukwa isiko
bunango kwa na yawe we are doing serious constructions at school in terms of the structures, a lab, and all those things required in junior high school. So the other one, we are doing serious construction in terms of the structures. Two, we are also, in fact, even yesterday we had an interview for the junior school. We did an interview yesterday for the teachers who will be teaching Yavanaba come next year. So Roger interview Yavan. Okay, the answer to Anyora Valim. To Anyora Viraz. Nikitota Jagiro. Program.